Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the most prestigious event in the natural world. Today, we honor the icons of our neighborhood. From the master architects to the most elegantly dressed, it's time to hand out the honors. Let's meet our winners. The sun is up, the stage is set, and the first award of the day is Favorite Singer. And the winner is Oriental Magpie Robin. Kicking things off with a melody that wakes the world, our morning maestro takes home the trophy. And the second award is Favorite Couple. And the winner is Scaly Breasted Munias. For an inseparable bond, these steady sweeties win Favorite Couple. Next, Colorfully Dressed. And the winner is Green Bee Eater. The Emerald Expert wins for the finest green we have ever seen. Next, Favorite Child Artist. And the winner is Pale Billed Flower Picker. Our favorite child artist is the tiny but mighty dainty debutante. Next, Elegantly Dressed. And the award goes to Indian Paradise Flycatcher. With a ribbon-like tail that flows like silk, the graceful gallant is officially our most elegant winner. Next, Beautiful Nose. And the award goes to Sunburst. With a big bill for the finest nectar, the nectar nibbler takes the prize for the most beautiful nose. And the next award is Beautiful Eyes. And the winner is Asian Curl. The ruby-eyed ruler wins for the most beautiful eyes in the canopy. Next, Best Mimicry Artist. And the winner is Rufus Tree-Pie. He can sound like anyone, but he is one of a kind. The copycat color is our best mimicry artist. Next, Beautiful Feathers. And the winner is Great Recusal. The copper-winged captain wins for the most beautiful feathers. The 10th award is Favorite Lyricist. And the winner is Maina. Every whistle tells a story and every chatter is a poem. Our favorite lyricist is the chatty composer. The next and most important award is Best Family, and the winner is Babblers. Because life is better when you are together. The chattering clan wins for the best family. Next, Favorite Architect. The winner is Taylor Bird. Precision, patience, and a bit of thread. Our stitching specialist wins for the best home design. The next award is Favorite Percussionist. The winner is Flameback Woodpecker. He's got the beat and is not afraid to use it. The drumming dreamer is a top percussionist. Next, Favorite Acrobat. The winner is Swallows. Catch them if you can. And the last award of the season is Favorite Grooming Guru. And the award goes to Red-Vented Bulbul. The preening professional wins for the best backstage preparation. Wow, what a lineup! These are the stars that make every day a show. Keep your eyes on the skies. See you next season. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.